biggest and best so far out of 5 years tractor pulls we've had on this very ground. There is going to be big trucks, there is going to be small trucks, there's going to be those over-the-road trucks that those guys run in every day, getting up under this sled and seeing how far they can pull it. Some of them are going to go, maybe some of them are going to blow. You never know. Let me tell you what, Lucas Oil's decided to put on a really big show right here in Joplin, Missouri. OOIDA and 4 state trucks have decided to make something happen. September the 22nd, Friday night at 6:30, make sure you're here. This right here is going to be a bunch of smoke and diesel, good smelling fuel, that raw fuel, you know that kind of stuff you like. Right here on this ground, September the 22nd. If you're not here and you haven't seen our tractor pull, you'll want to make it. I'm going to tell you what, you'll never see one better.